In the event that you're searching for Chiliz cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and really need to generally know where the costs of Chiliz will go later on in an extremely large manner, we will investigate the previous costs of Chiliz and we'll figure out what specialists essentially are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this for the most part is just the idea of some market master examiners, which certainly is very critical, not to sort of make reference to foreseeing something so amazing as totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will attempt our in a real sense the best. We should generally begin Chiliz past value examination amazingly. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 12 cents and CHZ is presently positioned number 57 in the truly whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Chiliz is 6,718,673,350 with a market cap of $782,839,697. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chiliz's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.85% as of now, in spite of prevalent thinking. For most recent 7 days, the CHZ explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.94% in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to explicitly dive right in and especially contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ generally diminished by 26.395%, wiping out an incredible certainly normal amount of 4 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 18.92%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a genuinely least typical cost of 14 cents to kind of greatest normal cost of 15 cents in the beyond 90 days in a kind of enormous manner. Chiliz truly is somewhere near 40.88%, with the really greatest typical cost of the coin was around 23 cents and the base commonly normal value of was around 20 cents in beyond 4 months, which is very huge. We by and large foresee future Chiliz cost expectations. CHZ conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Chiliz. We sort of do our practically awesome to gather greatest authentic information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Chiliz market cap, Chiliz volume, and barely any more. In the event that you essentially are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and really need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Chiliz value expectation 2023 Chiliz cost is estimate to really arrive at a most reduced commonly conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could essentially arrive at a greatest sort of conceivable degree of 19 cents with the genuinely normal figure cost of 17 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2024 the cost of Chiliz is anticipated to in a real sense reach at any rate worth of 22 cents in 2024. The Chiliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 27 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 23 cents all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. CHZ value conjecture for 2025 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of 31 cents, which is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 38 cents with the typical worth of 33 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026 the cost of Chiliz is anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of 44 cents in 2026 in an unpretentious manner. The Chiliz cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 53 cents with the sort of typical exchanging cost of 46 cents all through 2026 in a kind of significant manner. Chiliz value expectation 2027 the cost of Chiliz generally is anticipated to generally reach at an especially least degree of 63 cents in 2027. The Chiliz cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of 77 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost of 65 cents all through 2027. Chiliz value forecast 2028 the cost of 1 Chiliz sort of is supposed to reach at the very least degree of 87 cents in 2028, which generally is very huge. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.10 with the typical cost of 91 cents all through 2028, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Amazingly, Chiliz value expectation 2029 Chiliz cost is figured to arrive at an especially the most reduced conceivable degree of $1.27 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could generally arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.53 with the typical figure cost of $1.30 in a kind of significant manner. Or so they thought. Chiliz value figure 2030 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Chiliz is basically anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.84 in a genuinely enormous manner. The CHC cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $2.23 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.90 in an extremely significant manner, which especially is genuinely critical. Chiliz value forecast 2031 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHC. In 2031, the cost of Chiliz is truly anticipated to reach at least degree of $2.61. The CHC cost can basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.18 with the really normal exchanging cost of $2.70, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation 2032 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHC. In 2032, the cost of Chiliz is gauged to be at around a base worth of $4.01. The Chiliz value worth can by and large arrive at a limit of $4.53 with the typical exchanging worth of $4.12 in USD. How much will Chiliz be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Chiliz will have a base cost of 77 cents and a most extreme cost of 63 cents per CHC. Since Chiliz is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies definitely. What is the eventual fate of Chiliz? The fate of Chiliz is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business, which is very critical. With regards to putting resources into CHC, you want to, in every practical sense, ensure that you basically are utilizing the right procedure, or so they truly thought. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with a topsy-turvy risk profile. Notwithstanding, it in every way that really matters is as yet a great speculation for the people who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary situation in an unobtrusive manner. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, CHC likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing environment. What is the Chiliz cost today? Today, Chiliz is exchanging at 12 cents with the market cap of $782,839,697. What will be the CHC most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2023? The CHC cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 19 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. How extremely high might Chiliz at any point go? The for the most part normal cost of Chiliz could go to 17 cents before the current year's over in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the 65 cents mark. How essentially much will Chiliz by and large be worth in 2030, which is genuinely critical. As far as value, Chiliz has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels for the most part. It truly is conjecture that CHC will increment in esteem, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Chiliz can raise a ruckus around town cost of $4.53 till 2030, or so they thought. Is Chiliz a wise venture? Chiliz's worth is supposed to keep